and welcome to the Casual Chef's Kitchen. It's Tuesday. Taco Tuesday. But I'm not having tacos. Nope, not tonight. Last night, I did rigatoni with a tomato sauce and peas. Actually, I did cetellini, something like that. The curly Q pasta. I changed up little things with this. It's really good. It's really good. Simple. Super simple. You can modify this sauce any way. I did a few modifications. I added probably a teaspoon or so-ish of balsamic vinegar. I used petite cut canned tomatoes versus I think it calls for crushed. And I didn't mix up the pasta and the sauce all in one. I actually ladled over the sauce over the pasta and added the parm and the parsley. It's really good. It's like I said, it's something you can have fun with. Definitely. I'll definitely get it posted up. Tonight is breakfast for dinner. Yeah. Pancakes and bacon. Simple. Super simple. Let's get to it. Got the hardware going. Got my roasting pan out because I do my bacon in the oven. I bake it. Yes. So that's for that. And I'm using my electric griddle for the pancakes. Using good old Bisquick, but this has got a twist to it, which is actually on the back of the Bisquick box. So it's the Bisquick, eggs, baking powder, a little bit of sugar, some vegetable oil, and I'm actually using Mexican vanilla. I've been using Mexican vanilla for a few decades, and I absolutely love it. And some milk. There's the bacon. And I'm going to be topping that off with some maple syrup. So here's the goodies for tonight. Next week, I'm doing Veggie Week. So if you've got some favorite veggie recipes, veggie stir fry, veggie with pasta, veggie with rice, please share your favorite veggie recipes with me. I've already got a couple that I've chosen, which I'm actually going to be working on some more spice blends. Yeah, I'll get to more of that in the next day or two. But yeah, I got some stuff already cooking. Sorry, bad pun. For next week. But I really look forward to see what you share with me. On this Taco Tuesday, don't forget to go to your favorite taqueria. On this day, have a great day, eat great food, and have fun cooking.